As any young girl knows, going to prom is all about the dress, but some families just can't afford to buy a whole new outfit for the big night. Well, News 12's John Goff tells us this evening that one local group is trying to help change that.
Before Operation Prom can begin handing out prom dresses, Noelle Delaco, the organization's founder, has to sort through and size all of these dresses. She has to get ready for more dresses being donated in the coming weeks. They'll all go to girls who otherwise can't afford them. Fortunately, she has space in a county warehouse donated by County Executive Rob Estorino.
We're going into our 9th prom season, so over the past years, we've donated about 3,500 dresses.
Noelle has seen the program grow by leaps and bounds, and she's called on volunteers to help sort more than 1,000 gowns according to size.
Prom is like one of, maybe in a girl's life, next to her wedding, one of the most important days. You know, I feel like everybody should be entitled to be able to go to prom, even if you can't afford it.
There are several businesses that are helping Operation Prom, including Men's Wearhouse, which is providing tuxedos for all the boys who qualify for the program. But one of the biggest jobs has fallen to the man who several years ago volunteered to clean and press all of these dresses.
Really?
Beautiful.
I consider it my responsibility, as I hope a lot of other businesses consider their responsibility, to give back to the community.
But on this year's agenda is another, even bigger project.
We are hoping that we're going to be able to provide a prom for free for one of the schools that were affected by Sandy, which is the Channelview School in Queens.
That's a lot to do in the next few months. But then, Noelle is getting a head start. In Elmsford, John Goff, News 12.